Hello, my lovelies. So I am going to repaint this little bird bath. So I figured I would just show you guys what I'm doing. So there's a dragonfly here, a ladybug here, and a butterfly here, and then I repaint the center of the flower. And then there's a little cardinal on her foot, and then the little fairy. So I just figured I'd bring you along and show you what I'm doing. I coated her in just some leftover blue paint just to give me a neutral base so that I have something to work on. Sometimes the rust kind of bleeds through the paint after a couple of years of it being out in the bright hot sun. I put it out in the garden, put some water in there. I have another bowl for water for the birds and stuff because one isn't usually enough, and so we've got to definitely keep some out there because it gets extremely hot. All right, so I'm gonna start with, I think I want to start with the dragonfly. So I have several colors. I have more in my little art kit. This was left over from, I don't know, some of the kids' stuff that they had for probably school art projects. And so we're just gonna use up what we've got. So let's see. I feel like we need some green. And I want to use some yellow, I think, for this one. So we're going to kind of mix and match a little bit here. This green is called pale green. And this yellow is called medium yellow. I'm gonna mix the two together. See what kind of funky stuff we come up with here. I like things that are unique, different. I like stuff to all be the same. Maybe we'll actually get the dogs to be quiet while we're out here. Sometimes they're quiet and sometimes they're anything but quiet. But they've been playing for a little bit, so I'm hoping that they calm down. Cute, I like that. Magnus, don't dig holes. Alright, let's see, what color should the body be? Maybe we'll make body be blue. If there's even any of that left in there. That one's dried up, that's okay. Okay, so maybe try and see if there's, let's use some of this purple. Oh, it's not even open yet. There we go. All this stuff looks dried out, so we'll see if it even works. Hopefully. Color's no good. Gotta find another one. Hang on.